The animal that can regrow any part of its body isn't science fiction. It's real, and it's been doing this for millions of years. Meet the axolotl. This small salamander-like amphibian can regrow entire limbs, parts of its heart, lungs, spinal cord, jaw, and even sections of its brain perfectly. No scars, no loss of function, no errors. If an axolotl loses a leg, it doesn't heal the wound like humans do. It rebuilds the leg from scratch. Bones, muscles, nerves, blood vessels, all reformed in the correct order. Here's how it works. When an axolotl is injured, the cells at the wound don't panic, they rewind. Mature cells near the injury revert to a flexible, stem cell-like state. This creates a structure called a blastema, a biological construction site packed with instructions. Those cells remember exactly what's missing. A hand doesn't grow where a tail should be. A bone doesn't form in the wrong place. The animal's body blueprint is so precise that even if you remove the same limb multiple times, it grows back correctly every single time. And here's the part that completely baffles scientists. Axolotls don't just regrow tissue, they reconnect it. Nerves reattach, muscles regain strength. The regenerated limb behaves as if it was never lost. Humans can't do this because our bodies prioritize speed over perfection. We scar, they regenerate. Scar tissue is fast, but it shuts down rebuilding. Axolotls suppress scarring entirely, allowing regeneration to run to completion. Even more astonishing, axolotls are resistant to cancer. Despite rapid cell growth during regeneration, they rarely develop tumors. Their cells know when to stop. This is why axolotls are studied intensely in regenerative medicine. Scientists believe understanding axolotl regeneration could one day help humans regrow damaged nerves, repair spinal cord injuries, reverse organ damage, and dramatically improve wound healing. They are living proof that complex regeneration is biologically possible, even in vertebrates. And yet, in the wild, axolotls are critically endangered. They exist naturally in just one place on Earth, the ancient lake systems near Mexico City. An animal with near superpowers is quietly disappearing. So the next time you hear that humans can't regenerate, remember this: nature already solved the problem. We just haven't learned the instructions yet. Follow for more unbelievable biology. Comment if you want more animal superpowers explained, and tag someone who loves strange nature facts.